So we came to the beach, like I just stated, and wait, Gabby, it's looking like it is a washout. See, we're on the pier. It's raining, coming down pretty hard. You see, there are some people in the water, but it's pretty rough out here. See? So, Sunny Isle Beach, Newport Fishing Pier. So,
Over it.
it's pretty rough. It might be a washout, but we're gonna stay and see. There's a lot of people fishing, so our beach day is looking like a washout. The storm was supposed to be something quick and pass by. As you can see,
People are
getting pretty rough. It's getting pretty rough. So it's a full-blown washout. It's thundering really loud, and when I was a kid, my papa used to always say that the thunder is God's voice. You turn everything off, sit down, and you listen. See? Oh, there's an umbrella in the water. Oh, lightning. Whoa, I just saw lightning out there. Lightning.
It was dead.
Now we can't even see really the buildings that are right there in front of our face. We can't see anything. And it's it's getting pretty rough out.
Did you see that? Guys, look. Lightning strikes over there. And it goes down into the water. What, look for an animal?
You see them out there swimming?
There's this guy swimming down there. See him? Yeah, absolutely not. He's crazy. I guess he's not afraid of thunder or lightning. The umbrella is still stuck out there. It is coming down really bad. It's bad out here. There was just some really, really bad thunder. I don't do thunder, y'all. Don't do thunder. But we're taking cover under the pier because can't really do anything else at this
It's
time.
getting bigger.
That poor umbrella is still out there.
Where is it?
Hopefully the storm ends pretty soon.
Crazy. We
Hopefully.
weren't expecting it to be like this.
Where is the umbrella?
The sun is
over there.
coming out over there just a little bit. We're hoping that it comes out
Yeah, you guys
over
can
here.
stay.
Clear out.
Yeah.
Is it shifting? You see some sunshine?
Yeah, I see some more over there.
Yeah?
And a little bit even more over there.
Oh, okay. Gabby, do you think it's going to clear out?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's going to clear out. I see some sun. Some sun over there. So. Hey, buddy. Hi.
You think it's gonna clear out?
The sun came out. The water is clearing up. So there's a huge stingray.
You see it right there? That
Man.
like, that circle?
I can't get a good view of it. But it's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so the storm has cleared out. You see how beautiful the water is? And interestingly enough, it's moving out in that direction. And it's beautiful. We actually spotted a stingray in the water, which was amazing. And then we also
There's at least about, I want to say,
see some minnows down there. It's hard to catch it on camera. You see them swimming all around? So it's a pretty cool experience for the kids. Oh, we found a family of stingrays. You can see, there's the one. You see the shadow right there. They're pretty big. We saw some barracuda on the other side. So cool. So cool. So we made it, and it wasn't a complete bust. The kids are swimming, and we ended up not getting washed out, so that's good. So we've been here for a good hour with the sun, and it looks like some storms are moving back in. But we still have some sunshine, so we'll be all right for at least a half hour. Hey, Bryson. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? You eating your hands? Do you have salt on them? Look at this big Where are you going, buddy?
All right, put it down.
Huh? You hanging out at the beach? Oh, what are you doing? You getting tired?
Oh, be careful, my head.
Look at these fish.
See this? Bite.
No, you get my video.
Look, guys.
Oh,
Look, there's a bunch of them.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Bite.
Yeah, I'm sure they bite, Joel.
Yep, there's another one that got lost.
Look at
Oh,
them.
there's a big one right there.
My goodness.
Big fast one?
Look at
I
that.
think
He's
that's the tarpon, that
fast.
fast one.
It's fat.
Wow. Look how huge.
Look at that.
I know.
Oh my gosh. They are humongous.
Yep, I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
One went under the pier.
Did one go under the pier?
Yeah.
Wow.
You said y'all saw a ray earlier?
Oh,
Hey
yeah.
guys, we found another stingray.
Wait, is that the same one from earlier?
How cool. There he goes. Just swimming along.
Swimming
So
along
cool.
here.
Bye, Ray.
So bad a while back.
There,
There. See that big
They
bird?
go.
He was the one that ate that.
these things are huge.
Get back here!
Huge fish.
Ooh, some huge ones.
Look how big they are.
The minnows never end.
So cool. Oh yeah, the minnows, they're there for